Welcome to Travels and Comida back in the Disneyland edition. So a couple of weeks ago, I asked everybody, all of our figments, to help me out to pick up the bag, right? For the 3 days trip to Disneyland. And the ends, like the results, the poll results are here. So before I show you which one was the big winner, I will go ahead and I bought these like is it compression bag or something like that? Well, it just makes the outfits it gives more space on the bag. So we're gonna go with this first, and then at the end I will show you how to go. I am not a light packer, right? I pack a lot of things. I love thinking about travel outfits, where I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna wear, and I like to have options. So California, I say it's going to be about 70 degrees in Disneyland. So, and we're gonna have an extra day to go to LA. So I was like, let's go start packing this. I have, yes, it seems like a lot, but it might be, but we have the compression pack. So we have 2 shorts, we have shirts, and this is one of my biggest pet peeves. Whenever I go to a hotel Airbnb, I always bring some pillowcases with me. I have a dress, a beautiful dress, just in case I go out to have dinner in a nice place, which you probably won't, but you never know. You know, maybe we're a celebrity and they invite us to go eat. We go with them. So there, and then shirt, and shirt. So I have 3 shirts. And I have my favorite. For the first time, there we were. I love this shirt. It's my Fortnite shirt from Taylor. Love it. Got it on Etsy. Let's be wearing that. And here you go. My bag. And leggings. Like to have it. And my pajamas. So, okay. Here we go, and now let's test it out. The bag. Hey. Right. Okay, got it. All right, so we are back with all the things that we fit in here, and I had to wait a little bit so I could charge the air pump. So let's see how's it gonna work this time. This is kind of, it gets harder and harder, so we'll see. And then here, and they say that it's supposed to be like that, so we'll see. You know what? All right. Alright, so here it is. It takes all the air from the package, makes it easier to fit inside of the bag. So it's new, I haven't even taken the tag out yet. So, alright, now let's go for the bag. Alright, and since the polling vote was done, we figured out that you guys voted for me to carry the Weekender, right? The options were the Weekender, the Baboon to the Moon, or Carry On Bradshaw. If you guys want me to take this bag, it's alright. Let's see if it's gonna fit. So if not, if it doesn't fit, I'm taking carry-on Bradshaw. It fits. Oh heck, it fits. Look, so much space still, right? So okay. All right. So in this one here, we have our charging stuff for the camera itself and mostly charging stuff. So I'll put it over here. Charging equipment. So we go this way. Oh, I keep testing it out. And this one, let's see, I don't think this one, it does fit. I'm not sure if it closes. So I think I might just put it on the bottom and leave some space here for like the other shoes that I want to take. So I have these jelly sandals that, especially for a warm climate, they are so stylish and they're so pretty. It's from a brand called Melissa. It's from Brazil, so I love those sandals. So I'm just gonna fit this in here. Pair of shoes here, and another pair of shoes here. And okay, so this is done here. Right, this part here is done. Okay, here. And then we have the bottom part, which is, where is the, oh, there we go. Okay, whoop, go, and then you can put the toiletry bags over here. See, this toiletry bag came with this bag, so you can put it over here, and then you still have some space over here, which I will probably use for another shoes that I'm planning to buy. Yay! Alright, so this is the bag that we'll be taking. Josh will be carrying. No, I will show you. Okay, so you can either use it as like this, right? Or you can just carry like normal like this. So I mean, it won't be a long trip. It won't be like I won't be switching planes or staying. It's just a 3-day trip. So into Disney. So I'm probably gonna bring some stuff back, but I don't think it's heavy. I think it's just fine. So here we go. The Weekender.